Hello, hello, my shining little stars. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time, the happiest place to learn English with stories, laughter, and friendship. I'm Miss Lily, your teacher and friend, and with me, as always, is our curious little learner.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Leo. Miss Lily, I can't wait for today's lesson.
I can tell, Leo, you seem very happy today.
That's because you said we're going to talk about friends. I love making new friends.
That's wonderful, Leo. Making friends is one of the best things in life, and it's also a perfect way to practice English. So, today's episode is called English Conversation Practice, Making Friends.
Yay! We're going to learn how to talk to new friends in English.
Imagine, Leo, that you're at the playground and you see a new child playing with a ball. You want to talk to them. What's the first thing you say?
Maybe hi?
Exactly. Just hi or hello are the best ways to start. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Leo.
Hello, my name is Leo.
Great job. And then you can ask, what's your name?
What's your name?
Perfect. Let's have a little conversation. I'll be your new friend, okay?
Okay.
Hello, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi, Emma. My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Beautiful. That's exactly how you make a good first impression. Children, try saying this out loud with us. Hello. My name is... What's your name? Nice to meet you. Now, after meeting someone, you can ask, how are you? It's a simple and polite way to start a conversation.
Oh, I know that one. How are you?
Excellent. And you can answer, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm happy.
I'm happy, Miss Lily.
I'm happy too, Leo. You can also ask back, and you?
How are you, Miss Lily?
I'm great, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm happy. And you? Leo, when you meet a new friend, it's fun to talk about what you both like. Oh, yes, I like pizza. Me too. You can say, I like pizza, or I like playing soccer. I like drawing. That's wonderful, Leo. Let's create a dialogue about likes and dislikes. What do you like, Leo?
I like drawing and watching cartoons.
That's cool. I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you like ice cream, Miss Lily?
Of course. Everyone loves ice cream.
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Mine is strawberry. I like. What do you like? My favorite is. Now, let's learn some kind and friendly expressions that you can use with your friends.
Like what, Miss Lily?
Like, you are my friend, or I like playing with you.
You are my friend, Miss Lily.
Oh, thank you, Leo. You are my friend too. Yellow heart.
I like playing with you.
How sweet. Children, let's all practice. You are my friend. I like playing with you. Let's play together. You are kind. Let's pretend, Leo, you're at the park and you meet a new friend named Ben. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, my name is Ben. What's your name?
Hi, Ben. My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm happy. And you?
I'm great, thank you. Do you like soccer?
Yes, I love soccer. Do you like to play?
Yes, let's play together.
Yay! Now we're friends.
That was perfect, Leo. Children, wasn't that fun? You can practice this with your parents, classmates, or even with your toys. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay.
We learned how to say hello, ask someone's name, and talk about what we like. Let's repeat it together one more time. Hello. My name is... What's your name? Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm fine. I like. You are my friend. I like that part. You are my friend. Because it's true, Leo. Friendship is magic. And learning English with friends makes everything easier and more fun.
Miss Lily, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How do you say, let's be friends in English?
You just said it. Let's be friends.
Let's be friends.
Yay! Children at home, say it too. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Now it's rhyme time. Let's sing a little rhyme in English to remember today's lesson. Miss Lily, singing softly. Hello, hello, what's your name? Let's be friends and play a game. How are you? I'm fine today. Let's learn English in a happy way. That was so much fun, Miss Lily. I'm glad you liked it, Leo. Do you want to sing it again with me? Yes. Before we finish, I have a challenge for all our listeners.
Ooh, I love challenges.
Try talking to someone new today. Maybe your classmate, a neighbor, or even your teddy bear. Say, hello, my name is... What's your name? Nice to meet you.
And then ask, what do you like?
Exactly. You can make learning English a part of your daily life.
Miss Lily, I think I've already made a new friend. You!
How sweet, Leo. And you, dear listener, you are our friend too. That's all for today's episode, English Conversation Practice, Making Friends.
I loved this one, Miss Lily. It was so much fun.
I'm so happy. Remember, every time you speak, smile, and listen attentively, you're practicing English and spreading friendship.
So, everyone, let's say it together. Let's be friends.
Beautiful. Until next time, my little stars, keep shining, keep learning, and keep smiling. Bye, everyone. You've been listening to Tiny Talk Time, where learning English is full of magic, fun, and friendship.